This video is about the loads that contactors are capable of handling. They are rated, and they're usually rated somewhere in the side. And you can see there we've got 115, an LRA, that's locked rotor amps, that has to do with motors. It'll handle 180 locked rotor amps. Full load amps, which is same as running amps, is 30. And resistive, if it happens to be a non-motor load, it'll handle 40 instead of 30. 2 horsepower, 1.5 kW. Now they will have sometimes different ratings for higher voltages. This one seems to be the same, so it could be used in for 30 amp full load up to looks like 575 volts. Okay, this contactor is good for 20 amps, and resistive load is 25. Okay, what the amperage load refers to is the ability of these contacts to handle amperage. And they're larger if they're bigger amp contactors, and smaller if they're smaller amp contactors. They have to be at least the minimum size has to be as noted on any motors that are being driven by this thing, or total full load amps. This has to be able to switch a minimum of that. I can go bigger, but I can't go smaller.